Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the last lesson, we learned about products. In this lesson, we will be learning about contracts. We use F2-3 to represent the identifier of this feature set, contracts. A contract refers to the formal agreement between a company and its customer, outlining the terms and conditions of the products or services being provided. This can include details such as the duration of the contract, pricing, payment terms, deliverables, and any other relevant terms and conditions. You can see that contracts include the following main features: add contract, search contract, view contract details, preview contract, edit contract, and archive contract. In the previous orders lesson, we mentioned that a contract is a detailed agreement and terms of an order. After customers place an order, they generally sign a contract. Then, the business provides goods or services to the customer based on the contract. This applies to most industries. In the software or online services industry, customers receive services directly after placing an order, and then the contract is generated automatically. Our CRM system design follows this pattern. After a customer representative enters an order, they enter a contract and associate it with the order. If it involves high value, importance, or risk of goods and services, such as large equipment, high-value contracts, customized products or services, etc., these projects' orders or contracts usually need to go through an internal approval process to ensure compliance and risk management. In the previous lesson, we mentioned that one order corresponds to multiple contracts. In our CRM system, contracts do not directly correspond to payments, orders correspond to payments, and the relationship between orders and contracts is also one-to-many. This design is relatively simple. Contracts can be seen as a supplement to orders. Next, let's create the data structure. Duplicate the orders sheet and change the page name and title to F2-3 contracts. In the Basic Info section, we need a contract name but do not need amount because the amount is already included in the order and contract attachments. We also do not need updated time because contracts are typically considered to be static documents once they are finalized and signed. Related contracts and scheduled payment date are not needed, but we do require remarks and a contract attachment. The other fields are similar to those in the orders lesson, such as related customer and related contacts. Additionally, we also need a contract attachment field here for uploading attachments. In the Status Info section, we need a contract status field, which includes draft, pending, active, expired, terminated, renewed, amended, and cancelled. In the Relevant Module section, we do not need opportunity, contracts, products, or payments. Next, we will create the prototype based on the created data structure. Duplicate the orders folder and its branches. Rename it to contracts. Then modify the names of several pages. Change the page title to contracts. In the search section, we need a contract status. Then we need contract name, related order, related customer, related opportunity, related contracts, and owner as search items. Modify tab and button text. In the table section, we need a contract name, contract status, related order, our signatory, counterparty signatory, confirmation date, start date, and end date. In the Operation section, we need to add a View button for previewing contract attachments. We will work on this in detail later. Go to the new contract page. Modify the page title. Change the label name to customer name. Then we need a related order. Adjust the position of elements. Add a contract attachment label and an upload button. Then we will create a subsection for contract preview using a rectangle to represent the contract preview. Then copy and paste elements to the Edit Contract page. Modify the page title and button interactions. Add text for required fields. Then go to the Contract Details page. In the Important Information section, we need a related order number and a contract status. In the Tabs section, we need a Contract Details. We do not need opportunity, products, contracts, and payments. In the Basic Info section, we do not need related opportunity. Adjust the positions of the elements. We do not need scheduled payment date and payment method. We need a remarks field. In the Source Info section, remove channel. Then copy and paste a contract preview from another page. Then copy and paste a pop-up to the contract management page to create an attachment preview pop-up. Change the pop-up name to Preview. Then add interaction to the View button to open the attachment preview pop-up when clicked. Modify the link page opened when clicking on the contract name. Go to the Frame page. Set it to open the contract management page in the inline frame when clicking on the order's navigation. Preview the prototype. Click on the contract's navigation. Open the contract management page. You can choose options from the drop-down list. You can go to the new contract page. Click the Submit button to add a new contract and return to the contract management page. You can edit contract content. You can view contract details. Return to the contract management page. Click the View button to preview the contract. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.